Hey friends, I am Sachil and you are watching channel Tech Today. Today I am gonna tell you how easily we can make images transparent with the help of PowerPoint presentation.
Yes, it is possible and it requires few steps.
So without wasting time, let's start. This is our desktop. Let us right click on the mouse and create a new PowerPoint file. Let's rename it and open the file. Now delete the area of subtitle and add title. Let us click on the insert and insert a shape. I have taken a rectangle. Draw it as per your requirement. Now click shape fill, which is under shape format. Click on picture. Here we'll get three options: from a file, online pictures, from icons. From a file, we can insert pictures available in this system. So today I will show you how to insert pictures online. Lots of options available here. Search bar is also available where we can write down the description for specific images. Let's take a picture of cat. This one looks good and insert it.
In few seconds, blue color will be replaced with the selected image.
Now let me change the background color of the slide by right clicking on the mouse, then select format background. You can see a menu box is visible at right side of the slide. Here we can change the background color of the slide. Let us take red color. Now select the cat's image and go to the format picture. You can see it is already visible at the right side of the slide. But if it is not visible, then select the image and right click from the mouse, then select format picture. This particular menu will open. Now click on fill and line. This mug full of paint. Here you will see various options like no fill, solid fill, gradient fill, etc. See this transparency tool. Just scroll the bar towards right side with the help of mouse, or you can write value manually also, and we can see that cat's image is getting transparent. Now let's change the color of background to yellow. So you can see with these simple steps we can make images transparent. Friends, if you like this video, kindly give thumbs up. Let's move further. Let's insert one more shape, this time a circle, and now add one more cat to see the transparency effect in much better way. Same procedure to be followed as earlier. Now let's use transparency tool. Now let's remove the background of the circle by clicking on no line option under line.
Friends, now you can see images are transparent.
Let's insert one more image, this time PNG image, and let us set it in the slide. Here we can see that this tool is really very simple to use to make images transparent. Friends, I hope you would have liked this content. So just give thumbs up to this video, share with your friends, and do subscribe this channel. Thank you friends, we'll meet soon. Till then, take care.